So in this video, I'm going to walk you through changing the profile picture. This is fairly simple, but in my case, I'm going to customize it with ChatGPT so you know how to do it and see other tools and options that you have when uploading profile pictures. So if you have a volleyball professional picture, you can upload it here, but I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as well for that. So in ChatGPT, going back to the same chat where I told ChatGPT about what I want to do with my YouTube channel, and it's a good idea to keep it here so that it already knows what you're trying to accomplish. I loaded a picture of my daughter with her uniform and I gave it basic instructions. Now you can give it more details if you want. I'm just doing a simple example for the purposes of this video and only so you can see what tools are available for you to use in your channel to make it more professional. So in my case, I just said something simple like, this is my daughter's image with her volleyball club uniform. I need a YouTube channel profile picture that fits inside the round profile image and has a color ring around her image as a border that uses a color from her uniform that stands out. So I submitted this request and this is the image that it generated. And if you look at the picture that I provided, it made some changes in her face and it's a lovely picture. So I am going to download this, then come back to my channel, then here in profile picture we're going to upload it. Then you select the area that you want to select. In my case, I'm going to select everything. So once the picture is uploaded, you're ready to publish again. Just hit the publish button on the top right. And there you go. So now you can see her beautiful picture up there. Now if you have, again, a picture that was professionally taken that you would like to use, just use that image. Otherwise, you can grab another image that you already have, give it to ChatGPT so it customizes it. You can also tell ChatGPT to add makeup and other changes that you want to incorporate to the image as well. So anyways, this is just a quick example of what you can do to create and upload a YouTube profile picture for your daughter's YouTube channel. So now that we have our profile picture set up and the channel description done, I'm going to walk you through some settings in your YouTube channel that you really need to do so that you're able to do live videos in the future. So please stick with me and I'll see you in the next video.